Welcome to LC Yoga. I'm Laura. Today we're doing a quick HIIT yoga fusion. So meet me on your mat and we'll get started. Come into all fours, palms and knees to the mat. And as you inhale, we're going to cat-cow. So reach the chest forward, tailbone up, deep breath in, exhale, around the spine. Inhale, do that again. Exhaling round. Inhale one more time, wake up the spine. Exhaling round. Now scoot the knees back, reach the arms forward. We're coming into Anahatasana or puppy pose. If your sternum reaches the floor, go ahead and reach the head forward, chin down. Otherwise, your forehead's on the floor. Stretch out the shoulders. Come on back up, plant the hands, hips up, downward dog. Now lift the right leg up, bend the knee and stack the hip. Bring the knee in toward the chest, let it go out toward the right, and then up toward the sky. Hip modulus, in toward the chest, out to the right, and up. One more time, in, out, and up. This time when it comes in toward the chest, toward the nose, pull it in and leave it there. Round the spine and hold. And extend the leg long behind you. One more time, bring it in toward the nose. And up and back. Bring it in again, this time to your right elbow. Hold it. And reach up and back. One more time, right elbow. Up and back. Bring the right foot to the floor and lift the left leg up. Bend the knee and stack the hip. Bring that knee in toward the chest, out toward the left, up toward the sky. Bring it in. Out and up. One more time, in, out, and up. This time bring it into the nose and leave it there. And stretch the leg long behind you. Again, bring it in and stretch it long. This time to the left elbow. And long behind you, and one more time, bring it in. And up. Back into downward dog. Take a couple breaths here. You can give the arms a little bit of a rest. Come into child's pose. Little bit of a rest. And come back into downward dog. This time come through into upward dog. Stay on the toe mounds. Lift the chest. Come back to plank and knees up or down, chaturanga. Lifting up, back to downward dog. Again, come forward to upward dog. Ripple the spine. Lift the hips to plank. Knees up or down, chaturanga. Lifting up, downward dog. One more time, upward dog. Plank. Chaturanga. And downward dog. Breathe in downward dog. One more big breath here. Let it out through an open mouth. Inhale, lift the right leg up and step it forward into warrior one. Lower the back heel and come on up. Arms up high, spread the fingertips. Take a deep breath in, arch back a little. And as you exhale, sweep the arms forward, down, and back toward the hips. We'll do that 3 times. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale it up and exhale down. Last time, inhale it up and come on back down. This time, cartwheel open into warrior 2. Bend deep into the front knee. Sweep it over to the left, reverse warrior. Stretch that side waist. If your right leg needs a little break, feel free to pulse it up and down. Cartwheel down, forward into side angle. Right elbow pressing inside of right knee. Come back up into warrior 2. And turn toward the front of the mat, lift the back heel, arms sweep up, you're in a high lunge. Keep the arms up as you lower the back knee 1 inch from the earth. Inhale, arch it back. Exhale, straighten the legs, hands in prayer, front of the heart. Inhaling up and exhaling. Inhale, reach up, lower the knee down. And exhale, come on back up. Bring the hands down around the front foot, step back, downward dog. Deep breath in downward dog. Next side, you got this. Inhale, left leg up. And step it forward. Lower the right heel and come up into warrior 1. Deep breath in, start to arch back a little. And as you exhale, arms go forward, down, and back. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. This time, warrior 2. Bend deep into the front leg. Sweep it into reverse warrior. Stretch side waist. Come forward into side angle. Turning up toward the sky. Come on back up into warrior 2. Get out of that front leg for just a second. Turn toward the front of the mat. Back heel reaches up or lifts up. High lunge. And as you take a deep breath in, arch back and lower down 1 inch from the floor. And come on up, hands in front of the heart. Inhale, reach it up, knee down. And exhale in front of the heart. One more time. Lower down and come on back up. Plant the hands, step back, downward dog. Breathe here, 3 deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Let's breathe one more breath together. Inhale and exhale. This time come forward into a plank position. Knees up or down, lower down chaturanga. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, come on up. Sit back on the heels. Turn the palms up, close the eyes. And come on forward. Lift up into a downward dog and then come through into a seated position. Knees bent, bottoms of the feet to the floor, hands behind the knees. Lift the legs up, boat pose. Come into your boat, so knees can be straight or bent, arms long, back long. Embrace the shake. Bend the knees, bring it in, and lie down on your back. Bring the knees into the chest. And interlace the fingers behind the head. We're going to do a classic bicycle. So left leg goes long as you twist right. Inhale it back to center. Exhale, twist left. Back to center. Inhaling, center, exhaling, twist. Go at your own pace. Go as fast or as slow as you want. Three more each side. 3, 2, 1. Last one here. And lie down, release. Knees into the chest. Extend the legs up to the sky. You can also do this in sort of a happy baby. You can bend the knees out to the side, your choice. Interlace the hands behind the head. We're going to work the lower abs here, so we're going to pulse the hips off of the earth. So you can lift your shoulders up and pulse. Breathing, knees bent or straight. Your choice. As fast or slow, but make sure you get the quality of it where you can feel those lower abs working. Keep breathing. Hello, abdominals. Keep it going. You got it. The last 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees into the chest. Give them a squeeze. Now rock on up to sit. Plant the hands forward. Come back into a downward dog. And then ripple forward into an up dog. We're just going to release the abs there. So just let the hips hang. Releasing. Drop the knees, lift the hips, and come through into a seated position. Now we're just going to stretch it out, and we're out of here. Paschimottanasana, so shift the hips back. Knees can be bent, hands on the feet or the shins. Stretch it out. Around the spine, keep it flat. That's what the knees bent are for. Just looking for a good stretch. Not in the back, but in the back of the legs. And come on back up. Baddha Konasana, soles of the feet together. Knees out to the side, spine long. Come forward. Stretch out the hips. Tabletop, hands behind you, knees up. Scoot the hips up toward the sky, stretch those shoulders. And lower down, lie down on your back. Just a quick Shavasana, because it wouldn't be yoga without it. Even a short practice, we can get fit and we can return to that peaceful place inside that is always there. Stay here as long as you like. Thanks for spending a little time with me. Namaste and aloha.